Hello all, welcome to scenario based Tableau training offered by Rayapati Analytics. My name is Kalpana Rayapati. If you want to register at rayapatianalytics.com, enter rayapatianalytics.com in the browser and click on this sign up. You will get your login credentials. Once you log in with those credentials, here you can attend the first 2 weeks of Tableau training for free, and you can access the content whatever that is there, like recorded sessions, live sessions. If you want the mobile app, just enter Rayapati Analytics in your Google Play Store and download this app. Now in this video, let us look at build a country map to show order quantity and label only min and max order quantity details in the map. What is that they are asking? Here they are talking about country map. Here for that I am using Global Superstore, guys. If you want to download Global Superstore, where you can download means here you can see the scenarios, right? For week 1, week 2 scenarios. Below to week 1 scenarios, here you can see the Global Super. This is downloadable file. You can get that one. I am using the same. Now here I want to build the country map. How we can build the country map? Just double click on the country. This is one way you can build the country map. Or else what is the other way you can build the country map? First is just double click on this country. You will get this, right? Other way is that drag your longitudes and latitude to the view, to the rows and columns, and what level of detail you are looking at. I want to have country map, right? That is why drag country to the detail. This is another way of bringing the map here. Now here what is that I want to show? Here I am showing the symbol maps. I want to show country wise. I am getting the country map perfectly, but I want to show the order quantity. How can I show the order quantity? Here there are ways to drop it, right? In general dimensions and measures, directly you are dragging and dropping it to the rows or column shelf. If I do that same here, now the map is missing here. You are getting something else. But I want to show the map. That is why you can't drop your measures in the rows and column shelf for a map. That we got it clear. Then where can I drop this quantity here? Why? Because we need to see country wise order quantity, right? So where I can drop this means the only leftover way is that you can use this marks card. Either I can drop it in the size. So based on the size it is changing, right? Now let me increase the size a bit. Now which one is giving the highest sales is getting in bigger size, which one is giving the least sales is getting least size, right? Now again the same quantity I am dropping in the color. Or else if you don't want anything, you can take it out. Let me decrease the size. Directly without dropping it into the size shelf, directly you can drag it in the label also. But here if you drop directly into the label, you can't understand which one is giving you highest sales and which one is giving you least sales. That is why we are dropping quantity into the size also. And again we are dropping quantity into the color also. What happens if I drag directly into the color quantity? If I drag quantity directly into the color, okay, without dropping into any other windows like size shelf, labels or any other windows, if I directly drop quantity into the color, what happens? Let us see. For that again I am building the view. This time in sheet 2 again I am using quantity only, but instead of dropping it into the label and size, directly I am dropping it into the color. So now it is coming as a filled map. As we learned, there are two types of maps in Tableau, right? One is symbol map, that is the one we are showing in sheet 1. The second one is filled map. So if you drop directly the measure into the color, then you will get a filled map. If you want a symbol map, first drop it in the size window. Then if you drop it into the color window, then first you will get size. Later you will get the color based on the measure that you have dropped in. Okay, you got this, right? If you want any details about the course, you can just reach out to this number, guys, 9121314333. Okay, thank you.